So now let's go to the next topic, the flowchart. A flowchart is a graphical representation of process, system, or other algorithm. It uses standardized symbols and arrows to depict the steps of discussion and flow of information in a clear and concise manner. Flowcharts are widely used in various fields, including software development, businesses, process management, education, and engineering, to visualize and communicate the complex process effectively. Purpose of flowchart. Number one is visualization simplifies complex process by breaking them into manageable steps. So it means imong breaking to smaller pieces ang problem para manage mo. Okay, kung imong kung dili nimo buhon nimo largo, I mean, kung imong solve ang problema nga buo, medyo lisod siya kung imo siyang gamay, imong hinahinayon bitaw, imong step step by step nimo ang process sa ano, step by step nimo ang process sa problema bali nga. And next is communication, provide a common language for stakeholders to understand the process. So mas dali na masabtan ang kuan, ang process, kay naka step by step naman, dili na libog. Next is analyze, helps identify the efficiencies, redundancies, or errors in the process. So dali rin ma-analyze, dali rin makita ang mga sobra-sobra. Next is documentation, acts as reference for training, troubleshooting, or process improvement. So sa flowchart is naman ay structure. So nana kay reference kung na problema ani, so dali na makita kay na may katong kuan layout nimo, so dali na makita na sa problema or kadapit mo troubleshooting. Nga nabali na siya map. Then planning, assess in designing and planning workflows or algorithms. So nanakay plano or workflows. Then the flowchart symbols. So ang oval is to represent a start or end point. So ang oval is muna ang start or end. Then arrows, a line is a connector that shows relationship between representative shapes. Siya mo connect arrows. Then a parallelogram, muna ang input o output. Then the rectangle, the process. Then the diamond is the decisions. Type of flowchart. Number one is process flowchart. Illustrate the step of a process or workflow. So mag-create kag kuan step of a process of workflow. So magamit ka itong mga symbols, pwede mong gamiton para ma-illustrate kag workflow or process. Next is data flow diagram. Focuses on the flow of data within a system. So kani sa system lang ni siya, specific ni siya sa kuan, kani nga kuan sa specific, kani nga sa system lang ni siya gamiton. Then workflow diagram represent the flow of tasks or activities in the business process. So workflow diagram, so nagamit siya sa mga business processes. Then swim lane flowchart, divided the flowchart into lanes to show responsibilities of different teams or departments. 2 is decision flowchart. Emphasize decision points and their outcomes. So, kibali decision siya. And system flowchart. Depict the flow of data and control in the system. So, specific po na siya sa mga system. Then, step to create the flowchart. Define the purpose and define the process or system to be visualized. Identify nimo sa imong purpose sa imong system, sa imong process para ma-visualize nimo. Then next is gather information, collect all necessary details about the process. So, kuhaon nimo tanan mga information, mga importanteng information para makuha nimo sa imong process. Choose symbols, select appropriate symbols to represent each step. So, magpili ka og sakto nga symbol para i-represent ato imong step. So dili kay magpataka ra ka, mabutang ka dito sa imbes decision na imong kuan nya, imong gibutang nga symbol is oval. So mali ang katong sa decision is diamond shape. So kato imong gamiton gid. Next, draw the flowchart. Use the flowchart software or draw manually starting with terminator symbol. Then connect step. Use the arrow to show the flow between steps. Review and test. Ensure the flowchart accurately represent the process and it is easy to understand. Then ano mga tools para paghimo og flowchart. For 1, Microsoft Visio, Lucidchart, Draw.io, SmartDraw, Canva, Miro, Google Drawings. Then, thank you, moro to.